Hein Online's Venn diagram search allows researchers to visualize the results of various keyword combinations to better refine their searches. This feature can be used in any Hein Online database or in a search across all databases. For this video, let's head to Hein Online's Law Journal library. Within the database, find the Advanced Search hyperlink. You'll see a Venn diagram search button right within it. Here we have a new page with a new search bar, as well as some instructions and a few sample searches. From here, we can search for multiple terms separated by the Boolean operator AND. Once it's all in, let's click Search. As we can see, a Venn diagram appears. This diagram is illustrating the various combinations of our terms. The original search, combining all three terms, appears by default, represented by this red intersection. The results from this original search are visible here on the side. We can click on any portion of the diagram to see its respective search results too. This portion here is showing us the results that mention both juvenile delinquency and social work. We can also click the clear hyperlink here. Now, we can hover over the entire diagram for a preview of the results in each portion. We hope you enjoyed this short tip. Stay tuned to the Hein Online blog and Hein Online social media for the next one. See you soon!